What's up guys, this is Travis. Today we're going to be painting my wheels. They're really curb rash and beat up, and I think it's time for a new color, kind of a little change the look of the car a little bit for the summer. Now it's finally sunny here in Seattle, so let's get right into the video. But first I got to pull the TL up, so let me run out there and we can get a little cold start for you.
We got a dump truck!
One eternity later.
You sit. Sit pretty. Good boy. Shake. Good boy. Down. Oh, so good. That's broccoli. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a lot of new content coming out very soon, so make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you can stay up to date with everything. See you guys next time.